I'm curious, do you think buyers will ever purchase property through an online portal?
Or direct, you mean? Like just a click and put in the shopping basket?
Yeah, yeah.
No, no, I'm not convinced by that. Like I have learned to, I guess, over time that role of the individual, whatever type of professional that person is in the transaction, for this type of transaction, is massively valuable. Even if there is the odd person that would be happy to kind of click because they've got so much cash in the bank that the magnitude of that investment is nothing to them. I think in the vast majority, it's highly unlikely that you would go through that type of transaction without some kind of support. Whether it's the process of negotiation. If you're a first home buyer, you've never gone through the process. It's something that's perhaps a mystery to you. If you're selling and you haven't transacted for the last 20 years or 30 years, perhaps what's changed. There's always going to be, in my mind, the role for that trusted advisor throughout the process.